Open.
Makeup. Really?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay guys, hey, it's me, Anna, and today I'm doing makeup on my dad. I am evil. Okay, today I'm going for like a butterfly look, kind of like mine. Okay, so I need you.
Can I leave it? I don't want to do this anymore.
No.
I don't want to do it anymore.
Sit, or I'll lock you in chains.
Okay.
Look at me. Okay, so first I feel like we should do the just like put your lips together like and like. Let me see.
Yeah, got some lipstick on.
Okay, just a sec. And then we need something else. This is gonna like fix up in this spot. Blending in, so. Daddy, oh daddy, oh daddy.
I don't, ooh, very nice.
Daddy.
I don't think you want your makeup done, buddy.
Do I have a little bit of blush on your cheeks though?
No, run. 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 I know, I'd like to take it off, but I'm getting extra makeup now. Uh-oh.
Okay, just keep looking that way. Just keep looking that way. Okay, so now I feel like we should go for like a
Clown look.
a butterfly look. So like so when I close. Now I need the other color, which you got two colors on your eyes right now.
Perfect.
Look my way.
So are you making this video because you've been watching special effects and horror makeup videos on YouTube? Is that why we're doing this?
No. No. It's because we were watching scary makeup videos. Yeah, I need some purple on
Is
that.
this scary makeup?
No. It's pretty makeup. You are going to love makeup in the end.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Okay.
Mom is gonna think that you're, and Mom's gonna say, "What
I look
happened?"
like a pirate now. Or like I got in a fight with someone. While
You're right.
cross-dressing. Is this like a training video on how people should do their makeup?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Wipe that off. I'm gonna kind of like blend in the color of your skin. Okay. I think that's the best we can do. So don't worry. I got a trick up my sleeve. I don't think it's really blending in
You could say
to
that.
your skin.
Yeah, it's not exactly my skin tone.
I think it was only 6. No, it was 7, so I'm just gonna have to like do this. And then kind of like do one a little higher up. 7. Good?
Perfect. Are we done?
No.
Sorry, is this supposed to be regular everyday makeup or like special like Halloween makeup? I'm so confused. What are we drawing right now?
It's like a special Halloween makeup, I guess.
Okay, that makes a little.
We can play with you.
Yeah, what are we gonna play?
And doing a little bit of on the white spots. Okay, look at me. So just like all around here is gonna be orange.
Don't do that.
You need to show them this.
Mm-hmm. She's gonna love it. Feels so beautiful.
Okay, what's the other one? Is it ready? Jules?
Her choice. Jules it is.
One on here.
Makes sense. Yeah.
And then your gem that powers you.
It powers me.
And then there's
I feel powerful.
how about purple?
Purple what? What is that, nail polish?
Yes.
No, I don't want any nail polish today. I think I'm drawing a line at finishing face makeup.
Don't worry.
I mean, don't worry.
This one's pickable, so once
Pickable?
it's yes. So once it's dry, you can kind of like get it off with everything, and it dries quickly. Okay, now we're finally done your look.
Cool. I love it. Thank you for all your work you did today.
Welcome. Okay, I'm just gonna give you guys a little glimpse, I guess. So first we got the earrings, and then I put a little blush on there. He's in Ina's room. Smile. So we got like a little a dot right here, which like powers all the makeup. And like there's a bunch of like silver and all these colors on his nose. It's got the lipstick, and on the other ear he got.
Hold on, buddy.
Hi, thanks for watching our video. Make sure to like and subscribe and ring the bell. Bye. I'm a devil.